Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bybit card. First, let's discuss eligibility. The Bybit card is primarily available to residents in the European Economic Area, Switzerland, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, and AFC. To apply, you must complete Bybit's identity verification, which involves providing proof of identity and address. Remember, obtaining a virtual card is a necessary first step before you can apply for a physical card. Applying for your Bybit card is a straightforward process. Navigate to the Finance section in your Bybit account and select Card to begin. You'll need to complete identity verification, providing a government-issued ID and proof of address. For a physical card, you will also set a PIN for ATM use. Virtual cards are often issued instantly, while physical cards typically incur a small issuance fee of €5 or GBP. The Bybit card offers numerous features and benefits. It's a MasterCard debit card, accepted by over 90 million merchants globally, allowing you to spend your crypto easily. The card supports several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD. You can also earn loyalty rewards and cashback, typically between 2 and 10% based on your VIP status. Standard cards have generous daily spending limits of up to €5,000 or GBP. Managing your Bybit card is simple and secure. Your card draws funds directly from your Bybit funding account, so there's no separate card balance to manage. You can easily top up your funding account by purchasing crypto or fiat, or by depositing from other wallets. For added convenience, integrate your card with Google Pay or Apple Pay. Bybit also prioritizes security with EMV3D Secure for online payments and offers 24/7 multilingual customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.